Hello student, myself Mukesh Kumar Tiwari from LPM Public School. Dear student, today I will talk about for the chemistry for class 11. So let's start your first chapter. Chapter name is some basic concept of chemistry. Some basic concept of chemistry. This is your chapter name. So before starting the chemistry for class 11, you must have to know that what is the matter, then after what is the very fine or the smallest part of the matter, so on. Clear? So let me start. The first point is matter. Matter. As you know in class or from class 9, the definition of the matter that anything which occupies space, have mass and offer resistance are known as matter. Clear? So we can see a number of objects around us. These all objects or things are the matter because these things or anything which occupies the space, have the mass and offer resistance are known as matter. Clear? So the definition for matter is anything which occupies space, have mass and offer resistance are known as matter. Anything which occupies space, has mass and offer resistance are known as matter. Clear? The example of matter is table, chair, book, etc. These are all things which we see around us. These are all matter. Clear? So every matter have very fine and smallest part. This fine and smallest part is known as atom. Clear? Every matter have a very smallest particles and that smallest particle is named as atom. And the concept of atom is first of all introduced by the Indian philosopher named was Kanad in 400 BC. He suggested that the smallest part of any matter is named as Parman, and this Parman is the Sanskrit word. Here, so the Indian philosopher named was Kanad who introduced the term Parman, and this Parman, which is a Sanskrit word, later it is considered as a atom. Here, so then after the Greek philosopher, there are two Greek philosophers named was Democritus, and the second one is the Leucippus, who suggested in 600 BC that the word atom is derived. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomu. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomu, and this atom word is extracted from this Greek word atomu. Atomu means uncut. further divided. That means it is earlier said that the atom is the smallest part of the matter which cannot be further divided. So the word atom is derived from the Greek word atomium, which means uncut or not further divided. Clear? So this is the first thing to know before starting the chapter of your class 11 chemistry, that is some basic concept of chemistry. You have to know this initial inquiries or information about the matter, then after the atom, and later we talk about for the nucleus. Clear? Now the modern discovery suggests that the modern concept say that atom can be divided. That means atom can be divided. Modern concept. Modern concept. Yeah. So according to the modern concept, the matter has the smallest part, which is known as atom, and which can be divided. Which can be divided, and this atom have some also another type of particles. That particles is known as subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. Clear? And these subatomic particles are of two types. These subatomic particles are of two types. First one is the permanent particles, or permanent particles, or it can also be named as fundamental particles. And in fundamental particles we consider the three things: electron, proton, and neutron. These three fundamental particles are present in all types of the atoms of the element, except only hydrogen is that atom or element which does not contain the neutron. It only contains the two fundamental particles, that is the electron and proton. Clear? So the matter have the smallest part, that is the atom, which can be divided, and this atom have the subatomic particles, and these subatomic particles are of two types. The first one is the permanent particles or fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron, and the second thing is the temporary particles. Temporary particles, and these temporary particles will be neutrino, antineutrino, neutrino, antineutrino, positron, meson, etc. These are all the temporary particles which are also present inside the atom. Here, so you have to focus on the definition of the matter, then the classical concept, and then after the modern concept, what the modern concept said about this. Clear? Now I will talk about for the classification of the matter. Okay. Now the second most important topic is the classification of the matter. You know that from class 9th, you know how the matter have been classified. That is, there are are two types of the classification: physical classification as well as chemical classification. Clear? So these two types of the classification of the matter we have to consider, and this topic I will talk about in my next video. So watch my video. Thanks a lot.